Hello and welcome to our quantitative reasoning series. This is section I. If you're getting to see this now, please do it to check the playlist. We have section A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Right, ready in the playlist. Okay, so let's look at the samples and analyze. Okay, so we have 4 pots. 1, 2, 3, 4 across the samples. Okay, let's check if there is a bigger pot across. 14, 6, 15. No. Here 12 is bigger than 16. Here 7 is smaller than 14. So we don't even have a particular one that is bigger across. All right. And when you have it like this, and there are 4 pots, definitely there's a balance somewhere. Okay, that means there's a way you can pair the numbers, whether with the same operations, whether with the same operation or with different operations. There's a way you can pair the numbers and then they'll be equal to the same thing. So let's look out for balance. You understand the trick? You check through and you discover that you don't have a particular pot that is that has the biggest number across the sample. No particular pot has the biggest number across the sample, and there are four pots. Automatically, you know there is balance, okay, in this. So there's a balance in it. So you have to pair the numbers and see how they compare. Okay, so let's look at this. 4, 7, 14. I know 2 times 7 is 14. 6 times 12 is not 6, so that's off, right? Always confirm with the other samples. So how can I pair this? Okay, maybe this and this. Oh, I can see it already. 4 times 7 is 28, and then 14 times 2 is 28. Let's confirm. 3 times 12 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 15 times 3, 45. Okay, so that's it. Easy peasy. All right, so that's quite straightforward. And then you could also use another method. You might not, I'm introducing balance because most of us don't use it. Okay, there are other ways you could do this. You can work with 4, 7, and 2 to arrive at 14. But with your balance, you definitely get there. So let's look at what you have analyzed. So we have 4 times 7 equal to 14 times 2. All right, so if I have this part complete, which is 28, so if I'm looking for 14 times 14, I'll just look at, okay, what can I multiply by 2 to give me 28, right? And then I'll do 28 divided by 2, which is 14, right? And then the same thing, if I'm looking for 2 and I have my 14, I look at what can I multiply by 14 to give me 28, and then I'll do 28 divided by 14, I'll have 2. So let's say we have this complete part, we'll do 14 times 2, that will be 28. Sorry, my lanky 8. All right, so you have 14 times 2, which is 28, and then you check, you're looking for 4, and then you have 7. So what do I multiply by 7 to get 28? Easily do 28 divided by 7, and I'll have 4. So I'm looking for 7, I have 4. I'll do 28 divided by 4, I have 7. So I'm going to write those things out using my brackets. So we have 4 times 7 complete. So I'll divide it by 14, and I have 2. I have 4 times 7 complete. I divide it by 2, and I have 14. Then this part 2, I have 14 times 2 complete. I divide that by 4, and I'll have 7. I have 14 times 2 as a complete part. I divide that by 7, and I will have 4. So for the 4 pots, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me sketch that here. You have 4, 7, 2, 14. Okay, now let's go over to the exercise. All right, now to the exercise. Okay, we have this part missing, and that is in place of 2. So how did we get 2 here? Right, this is our analysis for 2. We did 4 times 7, we divided the answer by 14. So we're going to do 6 times 8. 6 times 8 divided by 12, right? So it's good you write it this way. It will make your work very fast, okay? So I can just go 6 here, 1, 6 in 12 is 2, and then 2 goes in 2 ones, and 2 in 8 is 4. And my answer is 4. All right, so that's faster than first doing 6 times 8, 48, and then 48 divided by 12, 4. All right, I think it's faster if you just do your division by cancellation and break it down. Okay, that's for number 31. For number 32, you have this part missing. That is in place of 4 in our analysis. How did you get 4? We did 14 times 2 divided by 7. So we're going to do 0 times 9 divided by 3. So we do 0 times 9 all over 3. So we just go 3 here, 1, 3 in 9 is 3, and 0 times 3 is 0. So our answer here is 0. But we need to check if this is balanced. Remember, we said the balance is this times this equals to this times this. So that will be 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 9, 0. Okay, balance. And then, time to deal with the fraction. So I'll leave this fraction for you. Let's see how you're going to deal with it. If you have any problem with multiplication of fraction, we have videos on the on the channel that you can check. Just check the division playlist. You see, or fraction playlist. Check fraction playlist. You see division and multiplication of fractions, and that will help you. You already have the analysis. Go ahead and let's have the answer in the comment. Thank you. Bye.